In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail SMTP server step by step. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the upper right corner and click your profile icon. Then click Manage Your Google Account to open your Google account settings. Inside your Google account settings, go to the left sidebar and click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you reach the section called How You Sign In to Google. Here you need to make sure that two-step verification is turned on. This is important because Gmail requires two-step verification before you can create an app password for SMTP access. If it isn't turned on, the SMTP setup will not work. Once two-step verification is enabled, go to the search bar at the top of the page, type app passwords, and select it from the search results. This will open the app passwords page where you can generate a password specifically for applications like SMTP tools, websites, or email clients. On this page, enter a name for your app, for example, SMTP test, and click Create. Google will then generate a 16-character password. If you see the 16-character password on the screen, keep it visible for now because you will need it for your SMTP configuration. In this example, we're using a test tool, but you might actually be setting this up on a website or an application that requires SMTP email settings. Now let's enter the SMTP configuration. In the SMTP server or host field, type smtp.gmail.com. For the port field, enter 465 and select SSL for the security type. Alternatively, you can use port 587 with TLS or start TLS depending on the system you are configuring. For the username field, enter your Gmail email address. Then for the password field, this is where you will use the app password you generated earlier. Go back to the Google App Password page, copy the 16-character password shown in the box, and click Done. Then paste that password into the password field of your SMTP setup. Next, enter your Gmail address, again in the From Email field. For testing purposes, you may also enter a separate email address in the To Email field. In this example, we're using a second email address to test the configuration, but if you're setting this up on a website or service, the fields may look slightly different. Once everything is filled in, click the test option in your tool or application. If the configuration is correct, an email should be sent successfully to the address you entered. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.